Hi, you having fun cooking?
Cooking.
Yeah, you were cooking?
That.
It's a strawberry.
Oh boy.
Straw.
Draw.
Berry.
Boy.
Strawberry.
Boy.
Very good. Hey Nolan, what you doing? What you doing? Are you cooking?
Cooking.
What you making? Oops. Can you put it back? Where's one side? Hey, good job. You just renovated the kitchen. Oh, cook me a hash brown. You gonna cook me a hash brown? Cook it for me, Kay, and then I'll taste it. You gonna cook it? Oh, thank you. I'm gonna taste it now. That was so good. Here, cook one for Daddy.
Cook one.
Cook one. Cook a hash brown.
Cook.
Cook it for Daddy.
Takes a while to get done. Cook.
Wow, you're the fastest chef we ever met.
Okay. Wow. Very good, Bear. Thank you so much.
Yum.
You make the best hash browns.
And say thank you to Great Uncle Dan and Great Aunt Cynthia. Thank you. Can you say thank you? Thank you.
Look.
Look. What you doing?
House.
Are you cooking? What you cooking? You having fun? Hey Nolan.
Daddy's apple and there.
What you doing?
Cooking.
Are you cooking? Hey, you should open the windows.
Don't get quite hot in there.
Gets quite hot.
Probably just higher up.
That's
Put your
okay.
head to the
Can you
top.
open the window, Nolan?
Open the windows.
To your left?
Let everyone smell what you're cooking.
I don't know if they push out or in. Probably
Yeah, they push out.
out. There, look, see? Oh, windows.
Can people smell what you're cooking?
How fun. Let's just say thank you to Auntie Diane.
Yeah, a lot of fun. Say thank you.
Thank you, Diane.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good job.
Look.
You want to look at it? We're videoing right now. See, we're just looking at your playhouse, but we want you to be in it.